Hair is the most important thing for a man. It is literally like girls wearing makeup. And imagine if you messed up your hair, then what? Well, it's obvious that you will look like crap. So, how to get the haircut that perfectly suits you and makes you extremely attractive? These are the 7 face shapes, and the main reason why your hair doesn't look good is because your haircut doesn't match with your face shape. So let's fix this right now with a very easy trick. The first thing you have to do is find your face shape. You can do this by carefully looking at your selfies or by using filters on Instagram. But make sure your guess is accurate. This is the final stage of getting the perfect haircut. It's very easy because I'm going to give you some haircut ideas based on your face shape, and you have to choose the one you like the most. After that, you can take a screenshot, show it to your barber, and get a fresh cut. If you have triangle, oval, diamond, and heart face shape, then consider these haircuts. If you have square face shape, then consider these hairstyles.